If you're seeing the xcom or Twitter action response error 34, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step on your PC. This error usually means the page is being read as missing even when the content should be there, and it's often caused by a bad cache, corrupted cookies, a broken redirect between twitter.com and x.com, or even a temporary server issue. So stay with me because I'll walk you through the fastest fixes first and then the more advanced ones if needed. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, let's start with the simplest fix, which is a forced refresh. If the page is loading an old error from your browser cache, a regular refresh may not be enough. Open the page where you're seeing error 34, then on Windows, press Ctrl plus F5. If you're on a Mac, press Command, Shift, and O. This tells your browser to ignore the stored cache and request the newest version of the page directly from X. Give it a few seconds to reload and check if the error disappears. If that doesn't work, the next step is to clear the cookies and site data for X or Twitter. This is one of the most common fixes because corrupted cookies can keep sending your browser back to the wrong page or an outdated session. To do this, look at the left side of your browser's address bar and click the padlock icon or the site controls icon. From there, open cookies and site data or site settings, depending on your browser. Then choose the option to see all site data. Look for X or Twitter in the list and remove the stored data for that site. Once it's cleared, refresh the page and try again. In many cases, this alone fixes the action response error 34 immediately. Now, let's move on to another important fix, which is stripping extra URL parameters. Sometimes the link you opened came from a notification, a shared post, or an external redirect, and that can add tracking code or broken parameters to the end of the address. Look carefully at the URL in your browser. Find the main link, which should look like x.com. If you see a question mark followed by extra text like a parameter string, delete everything from the question mark to the end of the URL. Then press enter to load the clean version of the page. This is a really useful trick because error 34 can happen when the browser is trying to open a stale or malformed link. If you've tried all of that and the page still isn't loading, the last thing to check is whether X is having a wider outage. Open a new tab and go to downdetector.com. In the search bar, type X and look at the reports graph. If you see a big spike in reports, then the problem may not be on your side at all. In that case, the best move is to wait a little while and try again later because the issue could be temporary on X's servers. So to recap, the best fixes for X or Twitter error response 34 are force refresh the page, clear cookies and site data, remove extra URL parameters, and check for a site outage. Most users will get solved by the first two steps alone, so don't skip them. If one method doesn't work, move to the next one in order. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and share this with someone else who's getting the same error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.